answering this guy Andile Caba, the one whom I pinned their comments. Can you also fake winning trades, coach? Yes, I can fake winning trades. Yes, correct. I can, and I can fake winning trades. I can fake almost anything. You understand? I can do that. I have the power to do that, but I won't, but I can. Just to answer you, it's like the owner of FNB. The owner of FNB can open as many accounts as they want under any name, whether it exists or not. They can do anything they want, but it's only a matter of principle. You know, I'm not gonna fake, but I can. I can fake anything, Chief. Don't tell me if I can fake dashboard. What I can fake anything, and any broker can fake anything for any client who's their IB. Putting it in short. So I give a tomorrow or no, I'm joining Bani Bani because he's an IB at Coach's Broker. Bani Bani, I'm just being transparent right now. How you take this information is your business. It's not my business. You use this knowledge. It's your business, my friend. Ongusha. So the best way, this guy asked the question. So in other words, mentors can risk hella because your mentor can be an IB. So basically, in other words, my king, when you're choosing a broker, choose a broker because you want to. Don't choose a broker because a mentor forced you. There are certain mentors who will force you that, you know what, use this broker, but they're not the owners. Why are you forcing me to use this broker if you're not the owner? Selling you there doesn't mean they're selling you there for the broker to rob you. No, they're just convincing you otherwise, indirectly. You understand? So basically, when you choose a broker, choose it because you want to use it. And if I'm saying use my broker, that's the thin line there. I'm telling you to use my broker because it's mine. And your mentor is telling you to use your broker because what? They get paid to bring you there. Those two things are not the same. So stop chasing under mentorship, chasing mentors saying, hey, teach me. Go and learn these things on your own. You will never have a problem in your life. Then come to me for transparent advice. If you want to understand something, ask me about my past. I'll always tell you the truth. But keep in mind, I'll always recommend my broker because it's my broker. But your IB mentor, it's not his broker. Why is he sending you to that broker? Now I'm sending you to mine because I'm going to make money through spreads and commission when you open a trade, right? But your mentor, how is he going to make money by sending you there? Why is your mentor being sponsored by a broker? What's the catch? What is he getting? Ask yourself those questions. There is something that he's getting. There is definitely something. You think a Forex trader can just say, no, use this broker only for what? They're paying him. They're paying him. Let me tell you what brokers are also capable of doing. We brokers. Remember, a broker is fucking rich. Wealthy, actually, not rich. A Forex trader is rich. A broker is fucking rich. Some of these brokers maintain Forex traders' lifestyle. You know, they maintain the lifestyle. They basically, a broker can say, no, man, go to a club and swipe 200,000. But if you check properly, it was actually the broker which was swiping, not the trader. Sharp, that's number one. Some brokers can even buy you cars. They buy you cars and everything. But if you check properly, the car was bought by the broker, not the trader. But everything they portray that it was bought by the trader. Why? So that you can be convinced that you must use this particular broker. Must I teach you guys everything? Come on, guys. You see. So the only time I would believe that this guy means it when he says I must go to a broker. Like literally, it's when he's the owner and that's it. If you're not the owner, why are you recommending me to a broker if you're not the owner? If you're the owner, we understand. For example, right now, if you are having a problem with my broker, you wanna verify your account or you wanna make a withdrawal, you can always come to me and say, "Look, coach, I've been waiting for my withdrawal. Please check WhatsApp." And then I'll make phone calls. I'll ask at the office. They will tell me, and then I'll tell you, "No, your broker your withdrawal is being processed, or please update your ID or whatsoever." I'll always help you. Why? Because it's my broker, it's my brand, it's my business. So I have to be committed. I have to maintain it. I have to make you as a client happy. I have to recommend you to it because it's mine. But if the broker is not yours, why the fuck are you recommending people to those brokers? Starting with these YouTubers, let me tell you, even these YouTubers that you guys are listening to, in every YouTube video or at the end or whatsoever, they always recommend you to a particular broker. From the moment you're watching their video, you people, must I teach you everything? Hey, slow man. These YouTubers, here's the first thing that they do. They sit down and identify what do people want to hear. Let us be real. I think DJ Coach e-wallet being a song is less attractive compared to a title heading DJ Coach Exposed. What is the type of content that most people would rather engage in? DJ Coach releasing a song called e-wallet, or seeing a heading of a video saying DJ Coach Exposed? You understand? So psychologically, you're most likely to engage in DJ Coach Exposed. Why? Because we are so-called poverty. So the only thing you're good at is focusing on other people's businesses. That's where they want you. Immediately when you watch DJ Coach Exposed, yes, you get on YouTube. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I finally exposed DJ Coach. Here's the screenshot of what. Here's the screenshot. This guy lied to us. Blah 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 blah. He's lying. And then when you are there watching the video, yes, you are right. He's lying to us. Since when do I owe to explain my life to you? You hypocrite. Anyways, yes, you understand. You are watching a whole 1 hour video of me being exposed. You will watch it. And the end of the video, yes, guys, please don't forget, if you want a trading account, red flag number 1. If you want a trading account, red flag number 1. Number 1 red flag. Here is the link. Sign up with this broker. Then already you are mentally you are weak. They've already won you already, and it happened to most of you guys. You went there and you watched DJ Coach Exposed video and you got interested. Yeah, DJ Coach, I knew he's lying. I knew he's renting cars. I knew he's renting houses. Yes, you are right. But where am I today? Where am I? What's parked outside? Is my bank balance affected? Nothing. But you are there. You are out there. Yes, I knew it. He's fake. Yeah, I knew it. Then there is one thing that you have missed, where the main source of that video was not to expose me. The main source of that video was to get your attention and sell you what? To that particular broker that's going to pay the person who's doing the video. Must I teach you guys everything? Must I teach you guys everything? I mean, why? When I use common sense, even if they say you hate a person, why would you take your time, invest your time and energy talking about a person that you hate? I mean, in the Forex industry, why would you take your time investing about, you say that DJ Coach is a scam. You have done one video, right? It's fine. You've done one video, DJ Coach is a scam. That is okay, right? But now, after doing the first video, you are coming back with another one. You have more videos. It's already proven that you don't like me. Then why are you investing your energy in doing research about my life? There is something that you are getting. That is why I'm giving you guys a task. Go to YouTube and search DJ Coach Exposed. You will find all the videos. Watch each and every video attentively about me, but to the concept of them recording the video. You will find out that they're actually indirectly recommending you to a broker. When you get to that broker, because you are stupid, you don't know what you're doing, you're going to lose money. When you lose money, they get paid rebates, right? They use that money to go buy better cameras so that they can lie more about me. Why? Because when they speak about me, everyone listens. But when they speak about themselves, nobody listens. So their business, I respect such people. You understand? So after that, they buy a better camera. Now they're going to record better quality videos. Now they will even do a better research. They will go to auctions. They will go to looking for anything that DJ Coach once had. They don't care whether he sold it, whether it was repossessed, whether it was stolen. They don't care. They are going to look for that. Once they find that, they go to YouTube again and make a big title, DJ Coach Exposed. Because you are stupid, my friend, you're going to listen. It's a whole 1 hour video. In between that video, there is adverts that they're selling you to certain brokers. There is no YouTuber in this Forex industry that talks about brokers that is not working for brokers. I mean, that talks about traders that is not working. There is always a catch. You know, DJ Coach is renting cars. You are going to watch the video. After that, there is a link where you need to sign up. Because you are stupid. Once you sign up there, you have already given that person money. Must I teach you guys everything? Because I think before I owned a broker, I used to get worried. Why do people don't like me? Like, I really got worried. Or, okay, sharp. It's not that I care that much what these people say or do, but what is it that I've done, like, for them to hate me like this? Especially these ones who do videos. But I've just realized that, no, they don't hate me. No, they literally, they don't hate me. They are working. It's their job. Their job is to give viewers content. In return, those viewers sign up for the broker. In return, they make money. The only stupid person here, it's not me. It's not the person doing the video. It's the person watching the video. You are the stupid one, my friend. I hope you gave you now understand. Thank you. You say, you're going to learn a lot from me. You're going to learn a lot from me. Here's the thing. The only mentor that you can trust who recommends you to a broker is a mentor that owns that broker, because it makes sense why they are recommending you. A mentor who doesn't own a broker, why are they choosing a broker for you? What are they getting? Ask them, what is it that you are getting from that broker? What is it that you are getting from that broker? What is it that you are getting? It is not your company. Why are you advertising it? It is because they are getting paid to speak nonsense. And if I'm them and I'm poor like them, most of these YouTubers are poor. I know one YouTuber who's also a babysitter. During the day, he babysits while his wife goes to work. Right, he babysits the baby, cries the whole day, doing Google research about successful people. When the wife comes back, now the baby goes to sleep, he starts recording videos. You see, these people, they are trying to achieve something in life. So it's like that. You can't blame them. But they are not stupid. I respect them. But you, the viewer, the stupid person here is the viewer, not the recorder. Not the recordee. Now I'm the recordee, the person whom I'm being talked about. The recorder is the person who talks about me. The viewer is the real stupid person, which is you, my friend. Must I teach you everything? Who should I add next? Yeah, who should I add next? Easy. So you're going to learn a lot from me, eh? You're going to, I'm telling you. I'm telling literally, one YouTuber is literally a babysitter during the day. He babysits a baby, and at night he discusses our lives. After imagine a whole full grown man. During the day, he's a babysitter. Why? Because the wife told him that, look, dude, you have no life, you have no career. Please look after our baby while I go to work. The wife is a teller. I'm not sure if it's ShopRite or what. So that is life, my friend. It's like that.